so I don't start acting like a child, saying little things to her, little things that really don't say much, saying little things to her, so as long as we can keep in touch. Talk about the weather, talk about the sun up in the sky, just can't seem to let her know that I'm in love with her. Tell me why, tell me why. Come on and try to tell me why I'm lost in conversation. Can it be if it's meant for me to say goodbye forevermore? That I've never tried to say a word, you can be sure. I don't know what to say. If she knows it's okay, but I can't say what I want. I'm lost in conversation. I don't think it's fair when I want to tell her things I know words are never there. 'Cause it happened many times before. Guess it's just